Hey everyone, welcome back to channel Share Support. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add straight zoom in effect using keyframe in Final Cut Pro. So you must have seen in others video, while the zoom in using keyframe, the zoom in effect is in a straight line. But when you do this, the zoom in became curvy. Okay, so let's dive in. Open Final Cut Pro. Here there is an ongoing project of mine. Here is a small clip. So here we will add that zoom in effect using keyframe. First take this pointer to the start point. Okay. Then click over here, here and here. And now let's play the clip. Stop it. And then zoom in. Okay. Now stretch it, and here is the trick. You have to double click to the initial point, and here it is smooth, make it linear, and here also at the end point you can double click and make it linear. And now play it. So here you can see the zoom in is in straight motion. Thank you.